We have some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time, and that's the latest update as far as Iran's and Israel situation is concerned. Iran's supreme leader Khamenei has issued yet another warning. He says, and I quote, "The Zionist entity has made a grave mistake and will face consequences, and that Iran will not forgive the violation of its airspace or forget the blood of its martyr." That's the big news that we are getting for you at this point in time. A warning there coming in from Iran's supreme leader Khamenei, who says that the Zionist entity has made a grave mistake, a direct warning for Israel. And he has also warned Israel that it is going to face consequences. Dire consequences is what he has warned of. He says Iran's armed forces are on high alert, and he's also said that he's also given a message to the U.S. President Donald Trump. Iran says that U.S. in fact should not give any kind of military help to Israel, and if United States of America intervenes in any way, then that will mean irreparable damage. So that's a warning coming in from Iran's supreme leader Khamenei on the ongoing situation between Iran and Israel. We'll be going across to my colleague Rishabh live to get you more details on this big news that we are breaking for you at this point in time. And amidst what is happening between Iran and Israel, now a warning, a stern warning in fact has come from Iran's supreme leader, a warning for Israel as well as for United States of America. Remember earlier Donald Trump had posted that he knows where Khamenei is and how he is an easy target. However, Donald Trump earlier had said that, I'm quoting Donald Trump, what he had put out, he said, "We are not going to take him out, at least not for now." In fact, the post that he had given on Truth Social, Trump had said, "We do not want missiles shot at civilians or American soldiers. Our patience is wearing thin." And then in a follow-up message apparently directed at Iran, Trump had simply posted unconditional surrender. So that is something that Donald Trump has said. And now we have a reaction coming in from Iran. Iran's supreme leader Khamenei himself issuing yet another warning, one for Israel and one, of course, a clear message to U.S. President Donald Trump as well. To Israel specifically, Khamenei's warning is that Israel has made a grave mistake and it should be ready to face consequences as Iran's armed forces are on high alert right now. Rishabh, my colleague, is now joining us on the phone line for more on this. Rishabh, give us more details. What are the latest updates that you can share with us? Earlier, Donald Trump had posted unconditional surrender for Iran, but now Iran in fact giving a clear warning to Israel as well as US.
Well, definitely, Iran is very clear that we have lost our martyrs and we will not stay silent. We will respond to the attacking regime, be it Israel or anyone, and we'll fight till end is what Iran is saying. Iran has also, gave it back to Donald Trump for all the social media posts that he has made in last 72 hours, that the wise people, and this is, I'm quoting the supreme leader Khamenei of Iran, that wise people who know Iran knows that no one talks to us in threatening manner. So Iran very categorically now saying that we are A, not going to back down, B, we are going to fight, and C, we are going to fight anyone who invades Iran. So Israel and US both being sent a message from Tehran.
Well, absolutely, a clear message being sent by Iran's supreme leader. We earlier had got this message from the United States of America's President Donald Trump, who claimed, in fact, that they have taken complete and total control of the skies over Iran. He also issued a warning for Iran's Khamenei, saying he knows exactly where the so-called supreme leader is, and it also said that there should be complete surrender by Iran.